Our summer vacation plan was the most memorable one. We planned a short trip to Goa. Though the climate was hot in Goa also, the trip was really a mind refresher. We were able to relax in. Today in this video I will tell you the top 5 places visit in Goa. Arambol is a traditional fisherman village, located approximately a 90 minutes drive from Dabolim Airport within the Paralam administrative region of North Goa, India. The beach attracts many international tourists, mainly during the winter season between November and March. Arambol Beach is considered to be one of the most beautiful beaches in Goa, bordering Keri Beach to the north and Mandarim Beach to the south. Located 43 kilometers north of Goa's capital city of Panaji, Arambol has a population of around 5,300. Arambol Beach is furthermost north of all the beaches in Goa, and is nestled right near the Maharashtra border. While Arambol Beach has become the newest haven for Goa's hippies, plenty of normal visitors also flock there to enjoy the relatively undeveloped surroundings. The popularity of Arambol as a beach destination is growing every year, to the point that Arambol is fast losing its uncrowded and uncommercialized feel. Local pressure has ensured there's an absence of resorts and classy hotels at Arambol, just basic guest houses, most of similar standard, and huts on the beach. The many shops at Arambol Beach sell the usual hippie fare, including clothes, trinkets, jewelry, bags, UV backdrops, and crystals. Beach shacks line Arambol Beach, and many provide accommodations and sun lounges to relax on in front of the ocean. Cactus Guest House, at the main entrance to the beach, is a comfortable budget place to stay. In the evening people gather on the beach to chill out, do yoga, play musical instruments, and participate in drum circles. Goa International Airport is situated at a distance of 69.6 kilometers from the Dudhsagar waterfalls. The most convenient way to get transferred between these 2 points is either by a hired taxi ride or a self-drive. It will just take 1 hour and 50 minutes for you to reach your final destination. Monsoon period is by far the best season to plan your visit to the Dudhsagar Falls. The water levels will be above normal, thus giving rise to a splendid cascading effect as the water flows down through the verdant hills. The climate will also be pleasant and joyous to plan on a family outing at the base of the magnificent waterfall. Dudhsagar Falls of Goa is a majestic waterfall where the white water gushing through the steep and vertical face of the mountain portrays a cascading effect. Standing as tall as 310 meters, it makes sure to stand in the list of tallest waterfalls in India. The cascading effect of this waterfall gives rise to the illusion of a milky white sea falling from such a great height. This is how the falls acquired its name, Dudhsagar Falls. The 40-year waterfall marks its presence along the Mandovi River in the Sangam Taluka. This street will bring you to another new level, which begins with shops and nightclubs and leads to the beach. As most of the business here is leading by Titus, hence the lane named after it. The glittering lights, rocking music and hippie tourists crowd the lane as the night rises. Shop while chilling is the only thing you can see while on a visit to the market lanes. The items on sale like handmade items, junk jewelry, spices, the two shops could be easy to catch. Held in months of November to April, the flea market is a dream come true for all those who love to buy at cheap dirt prices. Shoppers could be seen here chilling with beers and jazz music. Interestingly, it takes place only on Wednesdays that gets a good flock on one particular day. The journey from Panjim to Palolem beach is pretty straight and has multiple options. If you take a bus, it takes more than 3 hours, and you will have to change the bus twice to reach Kanakona. From there, a public taxi will take you to the Palolem beach within 5 minutes. Located in Kanakona in southern Goa, Palolem beach is one of the most beautiful beaches. Known for its picturesque natural beauty and uncanny party vibes, this semicircular beach is only a mile long. Therefore, you will not require much time to explore all the beautiful sights that the beach has to offer. So, whether you are thinking about venturing out with a partner, or Palolem beach will always be enjoyable to you in every way. Palolem beach is a stretch of white sand on a bay in Goa, South India. It's known for its calm waters and for its nightlife, including silent discos where partygoers wear headphones. Lined with palm trees and colorful wooden shacks, the beach faces Kanakona Island, known for its resident monkeys. To the south, turtles nest at Goljibaga Beach. Inland, Katigeo Wildlife Sanctuary is home to Baga, a seaside town in Bardez, Goa, India. It comes under the jurisdiction of Kalangute, which is 2 kilometers south. Baga is known for its popular beach and Baga Creek. It is visited by thousands of tourists annually. Baga Beach is a popular beach and tourist destination in North Goa. 2. Baga is located at the north end of the contiguous beach stretch that starts from Sinquerim, Kendulim, leads to Kalangute, and then to Baga. Parasailing in Baga Beach. The beach contains rows of shacks and fishing, and at high tide the beach is narrow. Baga Beach is also famous for water sports, such as parasailing and banana rides, and dolphin cruise. In Baga Beach, new parking has been constructed for around 800 cars or more, and there is Baga Creek Bridge which connects northern part like Arpora, Anjuna. It's